to my channel, and welcome back to 5 Ways to Friday. We're going to be doing a pair of jeans from Quince that I have shown you on a couple different occasions, but I thought I would go in to styling them a little bit more in detail. So these are the Bella Stretch Relaxed Straight Leg Jean in washed out gray, and as you can see, they're right here. Now they're called the Relaxed Straight Leg, but on me they're more of a wide leg. So I think it just depends on how they fit on the individual body as to if they look like a straight leg or if they look like a wide leg. And I'm taking them as a wide leg. And if you think so, let me know down below. If you think they're just a plain straight, you tell me that too. But here they are. Now the size that I have is a 28 in the waist and a 28 in the length. They come in, I believe, they start at a 26 in the length, but the 28 is what I wanted to wear for flats. So you'll be seeing I'm only styling 2 pair of shoes with these, and I'll go ahead and show you those and get that out of the way. The first pair, in which most of the outfits are done, are a pointy toe slingback. These are some I've had for several years. These are by Franco Sorta. So they're just a flat, low heel, slingback pointy shoe. And the other pair is actually a pointy toe loafer. And these are in a navy blue leather. And these are by Franco Sorta as well. I do not believe either one of these are available because I'm doing this with things from my closet. So I will put links below to what I can find and some that if it's kind of similar. But I wanted to kind of go over why I choose these type of shoes. And you will see in the styling that the pointy toe, when it peeks out from a wider leg, it looks much more elevated, number one, I think, but it also looks more, what am I trying to say, less obtrusive. When you have a bigger shoe, like a loafer that's not pointed, it's going to look heavier. When you have a heavier bottom, which is be a wider leg, when it's heavier and you put a heavier shoe underneath that as well, you're just going to look bottom heavy down here. So that's what I was trying to kind of take away from that heaviness with having a pointy toe shoe that elongates your look as well too. The tape measure I have here, I got a question the other day and she wanted to know how I measure the inseam. Well, that's kind of, to me, you know, is it the inseam on you and where is it to? There's a lot of factors that come into that inseam. I'm going to show you how I measure the inseam on these jeans here. And I've got them right here. And you can tell that there are 2 seams here where it's a double stitching, which is basically makes it more secure and is going to hold up better when you have a double seam. So I'm just going to go from that bottom seam. I'm going to put my tape measure there, and then I'm just going to I'm not going to stretch it, I'm just going to pull it all the way down to this. Now here's what we got. If I can turn it around for you, it's actually 27 and a half. So there's always a variance I'm finding out. It's not just on Quince's, but I find that in a lot of jeans. Very rarely do they get it right on point. So these are actually a 27.5 inch, and you'll see where they are on me in the pictures. So there's that. And then I wanted to show you, I'm going to have to undo this here, I think, to actually do it properly. I just wanted to kind of show you across. Let me get the end, if I can get it here. I'm going to go one over here. And this is measuring exactly 15 across. These are a 28. So 15 across, 15 times 2 is 30. So take that into consideration. Now, the rise is going to be from that seam to the top. Which is right at 11, which is a good rise for me. It's high-waisted, so because I am so short-waisted. So that is one of the important things. Another important thing is the opening at the hem and the knee. So what I advise you to do is, if you have a pair of jeans that you really like, a style of jeans that you really like, take the measurements and write them down. And that way, when you're online looking or you're out shopping, you can have your tape measure with you and you can compare. So, the opening at the hem of this is right at 10 inches. So double that across is 20 inches. The knee is 10 inches as well too. Hence, I can put it up here and see that. So the knee is 20, so it's straight from the knee down. That you can tell. Okay. So that's enough about measuring. Let's get on with the fun stuff. All right, fun stuff. The first outfit I'm going to put with it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and stay over here. That way I can put right here the outfit of me in it, so you can see. So let's get started with the first one, and then I'll talk you through it. I've already told you about the shoes, but what we're styling it is with a burgundy cashmere crew neck sweater, Quince, and a Quince, this is the cashmere fisherman cropped boxy cardigan, which is so soft. It's just absolutely lovely. But we've got 3 colors in here together. We've got burgundy, gray, and black, which is a lovely combination. And then one of the items that is right here is the belt that I've got with it is, and I couldn't find anything like this. This is one of my Ralph Lauren, just a skinny black belt, but with this awesome little conch type antique silvered little buckle. So just kind of another interesting fact with or piece with it. And then the handbag is the Quince little shoulder bag. This is not currently available in black, but it is in the taupe color. This is so lightweight, and I do have a new bag coming from Quince that's a black bag. I'm very excited to get it and show it to you. So, but this is, you know, the styles at Quince, because they get them in small batches, they kind of come and go, and you can usually join the wait list if it's something that you want. So I'm going to set that back. So that was outfit number 1 of the 5 ways. So now let's get on to number 2, and I've got everything here on the computer, so I'm just going to pull this up so make sure I'm getting the right one. So the next one is this one here, and this is, get over here so you can see it here. This is actually a gray and white striped poplin cotton shirt, and this is by Rag and Bone. I thrifted this earlier this year, and what I have paired with it is a red cashmere sweater. This just happens to be the boat neck Quince cashmere sweater, and the red with the gray, white, and black striped I thought worked very well. And again, I put the belt with it, the little Ralph Lauren belt, and then the black handbag as well too. But I love the black, the gray white striped shirt with the red and the gray as well too. So, and then the black accessories. So that's outfit number 2. And let's get to number 3, which, all right, this is one of my new cashmere sweaters. This is green, so I'm showing you what green. This is more of a pine green. It's just the crew neck, classic crew neck sweater, and you can see here that with the gray, I think it looks lovely with it, so it gives you another color option of what to wear with gray, and it's a little bit different. So what I did with this, I got the black shoes and the black handbag, and then because I pulled this out, this is a vintage Bill Blass. Do y'all remember those? Remember that name, Bill Blass? It's a vintage silk scarf, and I thought it's almost like window panes of different colors, and I thought the colors in it, if I can show you kind of close up, just looked lovely with it, and of course even the black trim on it, so that's why I chose with the black accessories, the shoes and the purse as well with that. So this is what gray and black look like together. And have you ever worn gray and black together? Gray is a neutral. So I'm having a hard time here. We're just going to fold it over, put it here. And I didn't do the scarf. The scarf is pretty big. I kept it kind of just slender there to kind of elongate the outfit there. So that is number 3. And then let's get to number 4. All right, number 4 is another color that you don't normally would put with gray, but it is brown. This is this heather brown. This is the Quince boat neck cashmere sweater, and look at this so you can see kind of close up. I've got the outfit on right here, but I kind of just wanted to show you, if I could, you can just see it, how they the brown and the gray kind of complement each other. And then too, because I'm breaking it up, I just put this belt with it, which is a snakeskin belt. And because it's got the black in it, I chose the black shoes to go with it. I could have put brown with it, but I thought, well, because of the little bit of black that's in here, I decided that was going to be better. So that is number 4. And then last but not least, I have chosen navy blue and gray, light gray, to go with the darker gray. So you can see here, it's got, it just flows with it. So here is a light gray. This is the heather gray cashmere tee from Quince. And then this is the navy blue organic cotton boxy cardigan in the navy blue. I said that twice, yeah. Okay. And then the navy shoes that I wore with it, or that I showed you a while ago, the pointy toe. And then I'm showing you in the picture the two different handbags. I could have done the Quince suede. This is an absolutely gorgeous suede handbag. And the blue is so, you don't see a lot of navy blue suede. And I thought it was just, it's just a visual, what am I trying to say, appeasing color. So, but the navy blue with the gray I thought looked really, really nice. But then I also pulled out another one to show you. This is one I've had for a few years. This is actually a Michael Kors, and it's in the gray croc print leather, and it reminds me of a Brahmin handbag that Brahmin does, that's in this tote, as well as I think it's Teddy Blake has one. So this is a very expensive looking handbag. So you could do either or with the gray or the navy. This it's two different looks. This is extremely casual, and this kind of just kicks it up a notch, even with the navy blue leather pointy toe shoes. So that is 5 ways to Friday. So I've given you 5 ways from my closet how to style these gray jeans. So I'd love to know which is your favorite, if you have one. And do you have these? I know a lot of people have ordered these. So I think they're comfortable. I think they look great, and for the price, $50, they are really good. So if you were ever on the fence about this, maybe this kind of helps you decide if you were wanting to get these jeans. So if you use my links, I thank you so very much. That helps support my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It means the world to me. And I'm going to get out of here because, ladies, you've got stuff to do. I've got stuff to do. And it's hot. It is still hot here in North Texas. Fall has not arrived yet. So, we got ceiling fans still going crazy. All right, ladies, I'm going to get out of here. Remember what I tell you. I tell you every single day to get up and show up, because you are worth it. So until I see you in my next video, have a very safe and a very blessed day.